Okay, so I'm trying to connect this Kodak Pixpro AZ421 camera to my laptop to transfer the photos, but it's showing me this connection failed. So I'm going to try and find the drivers for it and see what happens. I'm going to try and see if there is a software for this Pixpro AZ421, but so far I cannot see. You can see there's firmware, but even the firmware AZ421 is not here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the USB settings on here. So right now the USB setting is PC and it's not working. So I'm going to change this to printer, and then I'm going to connect the cable and see what happens. So if now I connect the cable, which is right here in this port here, the top port, I'll connect it here and then see what happens. It turns on, and on my computer it says this, like it has detected it. So that seems to be working now, guys. It seems to be connected. You can see the Pixpro, but all of a sudden it disconnects again. So there is still some problem. Let me try this again. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it is back, and if I click on it, yeah, it is showing the images. Let's see if it disconnects. So I'm going to change the setting back to PC here. Go back and then turn it off, and then I'm going to connect the cable to the port here, and let's see if what happens here. I don't see anything detected on my laptop, so that means it has to be printer. It shows the contents of the USB card. Probably you can try and quickly transfer the files. So the problem is that I don't find any drivers, didn't find any drivers online for this. I think this is no longer supported, this camera. But anyway, still I think we can try and copy the files. I hope this was useful. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll meet you in the next one.